Today is your birthday. Drink.
Ikon mo. Kasama mo. Kapit mo niya, disco daw.
Disco party. Cha.
Parang matanda na, parang may edad naman yan, chicks. Mga ilan taon na yung chicks na.
Ba?
But I look her young.
Alright. Lang.
Patrick pa. Si Patrick pa. Hindi, Patrick. Kaibigan niya.
How are you? Good? Viral ka sa akin ngayon. You dance! Birthday boy, you dance!
Kahit na ganyan na yun, minsan may...
Sample, birthday boy, you dance!
Wala lang yan, yung...
Birthday boy, you dance! Sample!
Kaso yung iba, ay tumanggap ng bisaya.
Pero may sakit ka loob, kanino ka may sakit loob, sabihin mo na.
Ay wala akong sakit ng loob.
Kay Jun Tamura, wala ka sakit na loob?
Wala akong sakit ng loob.
Kanino, wala
Si
sa...
Tabor, that's Bisaya.
Kanino ka may sakit
I know
na
him
loob?
well.
Kay Raymond.
No, say nothing. It depends sa pag It depends sa pag ni boss. Because they know already.
What's the law?
No, if the boss tell what the guy doing not good to the company, it's depend to them. They're the one judging somebody.
Happy
I'm not,
birthday
But I'm
to
not
you.
depending with my reason. No? Tell the boss.
Isa boss.
It's up to the boss. It's up to the boss to judge. What the one guy doing, or he's good, or he's not responsible. I'm equally respecting. And then, boss, my drunk, my English is
Straight, no? Straight.
very good, much better. But if I'm not, I'm
Matay.
also
Matay.
high school graduate, and also taking college.
Taking
but,
medicine.
I'm not, finished with that.
Medicine.
Wala lang. Professional course, taking a military television receiver. I know also how to measure the current and electrical. But I'm not.
Alright. Expired.